Dear students, today we are going to discuss mechanism of reduction of carboxylic acid by lithium aluminum hydride. Now, all of you know carboxylic acid, any carboxylic acid on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride followed by water form alcohol and lithium hydroxide. So, all of you know well that on reduction of carboxylic acid, alcohol is formed. But what is the mechanism behind this reaction? So most of the students don't know what is the mechanism of formation of alcohol from acid. So we will discuss this mechanism in 5 steps. Now the first step, this is your carboxylic acid and this one is lithium aluminum hydride, LiAlH4. Now what happened in first step, that hydride ion, what is hydride ion? H minus ion, H acting on H plus ion of acid. You know that acid contains H plus ion. So this one is H plus ion and this one from H minus ion from lithium aluminum hydride attack and H minus and H plus to form H2O, hydrogen. Now as hydrogen is left and the rest electron of hydrogen is taken by oxygen, hence oxygen becomes negatively charged. Now lithium plus H rests with RCOO minus to form lithium aluminum carboxylate ion. So this is the formation of lithium aluminum carboxylate ion in step 1. Now coming to the step 2, this lithium aluminum carboxylate ion react with AlH3. So from where AlH3 comes? This one, once the H hydride ion is left, then this aluminum neutralizes and AlH3, this one, this again in second step of AlH3 hydride ion acts as a nucleophile and act on a carbon. As a result, what happened? This pi electron shifted to oxygen and it become O minus and here carbocation is formed. So here is a nucleophilic attack. So here H attached, O minus, and the rest one AlH2 is associated with oxygen to form OAlH2. So this is a complex formed. Now in step 3, this complex on heating form aldehyde. So on heating, what happen? This bond, carbon to oxygen bond, breaks and oxygen H donating its electron to form with carbon a multiple bond, pi bond. So you can see here RCH double bond O. So it is an intermediate stage. So in third state we see that in intermediate state an aldehyde is formed. Now coming to step 4, in step 4 this intermediate step of aldehyde again reacting with another molecule of lithium aluminum hydride. As a result, what happen? Again there is oxygen and a nucleophilic attack occur by hydride ion. this one. As a result, what happen? So it forms R, H, and this one H again, and O minus, and lithium attached with oxygen. So RCH2O, Li plus, and remaining AlX3, this one. Now in a fifth step, this one on hydrolysis. So what happen in hydrolysis? Fifth step, this oxygen O minus takes H plus ion from water to form RCH2OH and LiOH. Hence we see that alcohol is formed. So the entire process occurs in 5 steps. So simply students know that on reduction RC double bond O OH with lithium aluminum hydride followed by water, alcohol is formed, RCH2OH and LiOH. So this is not a simple reaction. The mechanism is occur in 5 steps. So try to know the steps behind it. Thank you very much.